make it a better place.
Hi, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Let's Explore Paper Crafting. And this month we're doing quilt cards. And this video is, let's get this a little in, there we go. This is what I call the Serene Scenery Log Cabin Quilt. And you'll notice that pattern. What we're going to be using for this is we're going to be using the floral phrases. We're going to be using Ink Island Indigo. Let's put this down. There we go. Island Indigo. For cardstock, we're going to be using a piece of Delightful Dijon 8.5 by 5.5. A piece of Old Olive 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, a piece of Island Indigo 3.5 by 3.5. Okay, we're going to be using the Designer Series paper Serene Scenery. And what you're going to need is you're going to need 12 pieces of a 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches, and they should be in 3 different colors. You got 4 of each color. Okay. Oh, got an extra one. Okay. What else you're going to need is you're going to need some rhinestone jewels. You're going to need the big ones and the little ones, and I had the little ones right here. Well, you're going to need some liquid purpose glue and some glue dots. You're going to need a big shot. You're going to need a piece of grid paper. This one is 3 by 3. You're going to need your big shot, and you're going to need the Floral Affection embossing folders, and you're going to need the flower one, okay? All right, so what you want to do is, we've got all the paper cut out. So what you want to do is you want to take and find the center of your 3 by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the center. And starting at the center, here is the pattern we're going to be going by, okay? So you can see these are the light colors. So starting at the center, let's move this down. Okay, and see, you can use any type of grid paper. I use my old grid paper. So I am going to start this at this center, and I'm just going to put it here. What I want to do is I want to lay this down without glue first off, because I want to get a feeling of how it looks. See, this all goes from that center dot. Okay, then you want to lay your next color down. And you can do this. These are really great to do with your scrap paper. Your scrap Designer Series paper. We all have them. I know you do. You hoard it just like I do. These off. And now I'm going to take my liquid glue, and again, starting at the center. You guys know how much, oops, I didn't do this last time and I regretted it. I had to get a new black piece of black. So we're going to start at the center, and we're going to, and the reason you want to use your liquid glue, see it's sticking to my fingers already, is you want to be able to move it just in case it slides a little bit better that way, okay? So we're going to take another one, and we're going to put that one there, okay? Okay. So we're just going to set that aside till it dries. Okay? So while we're doing that, I'm going to just fold the Delightful Dijon in half. I'm going to get out this big one. Now you can either put your quilt on the top or your quilt on the bottom. And then, depending upon where you want it, you can stamp on the top or you can stamp on the bottom. I like putting my quilt on the top so I think people see it first. Okay. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. Okay, now where is, oh, there it is. And then I'm just going to put a little saying for all the thoughtful things you do on the inside. Okay, just like that. Now I'm hoping this is dry enough. I'm going to bring up my Big Shot. I am going to place the flower. First of all, let me run and get my trimmer. We will see first whether or not it's dry because I need to trim off some of these ends. So again, what you want to do, you can trim this down so it is square. Don't trim a lot off of it, but just enough so it's squared up. There we go. Okay. Now I'll bring the Big Shot. Let's move this up. I am going to put this in here and run it through the Big Shot. And this makes it look like it was quilted. Let's see. See? Makes it look like it was quilted. So, put this down. Then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my glue dots. And I'm going to glue the quilt's top to the backings. Let's put this down again. There we go. And then I'm just going to put that right up here. And then I am going to highlight it. You notice it has a small flower. Let's get down there, Mary. It has a small flower and it has a large flower. So on the large flower, I'm going to take one of the big rhinestones and put that right in the middle. In the small flower, I'm going to take one of the itty bitty rhinestones and put it right in the middle, just to give it a little bling. There, you got it. Again, this is my log cabin quilt. You can, if you've ordered the full set, you get the rhinestones, some old olive, baker's twine, and the serene scenery paper stack, and all the supplies. For the medium class, you get all the supplies. I can't stamp anything, so the stamping is up to you. And also, I'm not putting this together. You can put it together, so you'll need an embossing folder to emboss. Other than that, all the information is down below, and if you really like my stuff, please sign up for another Let's Explore class and follow me on YouTube. So for this one, there's 3 other cards. Don't miss them. They're all in the group, so just remember to go and make sure you see all the other cards. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping.